Hello everyone, this is Digital Finance Learning, and today I'm going to teach you how to check logs in Google Script with Google Sheets. So all you have to do is go to the Tools menu bar, and from there click on Script Editor. And as you can see, we have some code written down. Basically, this one would give us a message box saying welcome to Digital Finance Learning. So let's run the code, and then go back to the Google spreadsheet. And there's our message box. Let's click OK. And from there we can go back to the code, and since it ran, we can go to the View tab and click on Executions. And as you can see, the most recent log says completed and 8 seconds. So the duration was 8 seconds. It ran the my function and the status was fully completed. That's how you check logs in Google Script. Until next time.